Should I pay for TradingView? A recent study revealed that over 70% of retail traders lose money within their first year. This staggering statistic underscores the challenges of navigating the complex world of financial markets. Amidst this backdrop, many aspiring traders turn to platforms like TradingView, seeking tools and insights to improve their chances of success. However, the question remains, is TradingView's premium subscription truly worth the cost? Before diving into the pros and cons, it's crucial to understand that TradingView is not a guaranteed path to riches. While it offers a robust suite of features, including advanced charting tools, customizable indicators, and a vast community of traders, it's ultimately a tool, not a magic bullet. The success of any trader, regardless of the platform they use, depends on their knowledge, discipline, and risk management skills. One of the most significant advantages of TradingView is its extensive library of indicators and drawing tools. These features allow traders to analyze market trends, identify potential patterns, and develop customized trading strategies. Additionally, the platform's social component, which includes chat rooms, forums, and the ability to follow other traders, can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. However, while TradingView offers numerous benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. One common criticism is the platform's reliance on third-party data providers. While this generally ensures accurate and up-to-date information, there have been instances where data discrepancies or delays have caused issues for traders. Moreover, some users have expressed frustration with the platform's interface, finding it overly complex or difficult to navigate, especially for beginners. Another factor to consider is the cost of TradingView's premium subscription. While the platform offers a free tier, many of the most valuable features, such as advanced charting tools and backtesting capabilities, are locked behind a paywall. For those on a tight budget, the cost might be prohibitive, especially if they're still learning the ropes of trading. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for TradingView depends on individual needs and circumstances. For experienced traders who require advanced features and a robust community, the premium subscription might be a worthwhile investment. However, for beginners or those on a limited budget, the free tier may suffice, particularly if they are willing to learn how to use the platform effectively. In conclusion, TradingView is a powerful tool that can enhance the trading experience for many. However, it's important to approach the platform with realistic expectations and understand that it's not a guaranteed path to financial success. By carefully weighing the pros and cons and considering individual needs, traders can make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in a premium subscription.